English for Beginners. Lesson 2. Conversation. Easy Back Prep Interview. Hello everyone. Welcome to your English channel Easy Back Prep. In today's program we are on Ricks Avenue. We are talking to some people here. Here's our first guest. What's your name, please? I'm Alicia. Where are you from, Alicia? I'm from Berlin. So, you aren't American? No, I'm not. I'm from Germany. Are you married, Alicia? Yes, I am. What's your husband's name? His name is Murad. It isn't a German name. Yes, that's right. It's a Moroccan name. Where is your husband exactly from? He is from Marrakesh. Oh, Marrakesh. A beautiful city. Famous for tourists and gorgeous sights. Exactly. Full of tourists, nice people and delicious food too. Especially in the summer. What are you doing here, Alicia? We are on vacation. Great. I'm sure you are having a good time. Yes, we are. Well, it was nice talking to you, Alicia. Nice to meet you. What's your name again? Sophia Brown, from Easy Back Prep. Nice meeting you, Sophia. Bye. Take care, Alicia. Practice. Listen and repeat. Number 1. Here's our first guest. Number 2. Where are you from? Number 3. I'm from Germany. Number 4. Are you married? Number 5. What's your husband's name? Number 6. Yes, that's right. Number 7. Where is your husband exactly from? Number 8. Famous for tourists and gorgeous sights. Number 9. Exactly. Full of tourists, nice people and delicious food too. Number 10. What are you doing here? Number 11. We are on vacation. Number 12. Great. I'm sure you are having a good time. Number 13. Well, it was nice talking to you. Number 14. What's your name again? Number 15. Easy Back Prep Channel. Number 16. Nice talking to you, bye. Number 17. Take care, Alicia. The verb to be in use. Number 1. I am a student. Number 2. You are a doctor. Number 3. He is a nurse. Number 4. She is an engineer. Number 5. It is a book. Number 1. I'm not a teacher. Number 2. You aren't an architect. Number 3. He isn't a cook. Number 4. She isn't a dentist. Number 5. It isn't a clock. Number 1. Are you a student? Number 2. Is he a doctor? Number 3. Is she a nurse? Number 4. Is it a book? Number 1. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Or no, I'm not. Number 2. Is he a doctor? Yes, he is. Or no, he isn't. Number 3. Is she a nurse? Yes, she is. Or no, she isn't. Number 4. Is it a book? Yes, it is. Or no, it isn't. That's the end of today's lesson. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them below. If it's the first time you join us, please don't forget to subscribe and share.